So as you can see, this is a Google Ads campaign for one of our clients. So from 8th of August to 30th of November, we have generated uh, around this much, close to 2300 leads, and this is the average lead cost. So we have two versions of this product. One is a little bit around 5 lakh. So for that we have close to 1800 leads, and the lead cost is 30 rupees. And this is a little bit higher priced product, around 15 lakh rupees. So we have close to 400 leads for this, and the cost per lead is around 100 rupees.
So you just watched the case study. So let's understand how to generate high quality leads for your franchisee business. Hey guys, I am Arnab and I am the founder of Perfect Partner Digital Marketing Agency. I help business owners to generate high quality leads in an autopilot mode. So I am going to share with you the exact strategies you have seen in the case study. So before that, please like the video, share it with a business owner friend, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So based on the product niche and pricing, you would have a specific set of customers. They have a certain age, location and demography. They have a specific psychography as well, like they have a specific goal, unfulfilled desire, fear, nightmares and whatnot. Do figure those out, and based on that, create a high quality and high converting landing page or website. Most of the franchisee businesses website look like a notice board. They put some information in the website and expect sales and conversion, and when it does not happen, they blame that digital marketing does not work. Your landing page should load fast, look professional, and it should have all the step-by-step detailed information about your business. In the landing page, you should ideally mention the problems of your target customer, how your franchisee business can solve them, your USP, your UVP, and don't forget to include the case studies or testimonials from the previous customers. Now you should create targeted ads. For franchisee business leads, I have seen better results with Google Ads compared to Facebook and Instagram ads, simply because people who are actively searching for a franchisee business opportunity sees your ads. So the intent is higher, so that you get a better audience and the conversion rate is higher. For Google Ads, you should research keywords in a very great detail and should target only in your target geography and target demography. Based on the campaign, you will see the dashboard, and based on the data, you should upscale or downscale the campaign. So most of the business owners I have seen, they don't want to create contents, but the power is in content. So you should always focus creating highly engaging reels, videos, images. Do conduct webinars for your business and distribute them in social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. It not only creates trust, it also attracts the high quality customers who are actively looking for your business opportunity. To catch big fish, you need big bets. You can create a case study, testimonial, success story, a webinar on how your prospects can start their own business and earn money with the help of your franchisee. Direct them to a specific landing page, and in exchange of their name, email and phone number, provide them that lead magnet. Once you have their information, you can nurture them with emails, WhatsApp, SMS, and show them ads for life. Building an email list is very powerful, and over the period of time, it gives you the highest return on investment. So if you are willing to expand your business with high quality leads, I invite you to book a free consultation with me, where I will personally audit your business and give you a working strategy completely for free. So the link is in the description. Go book the consultation and I will see you in the consultation call. So the link is in the description. Go check it out, and I will see you in the strategy call.